The Miss Jamaica World is really a staple in Jamaica. I grew up watching it. I remember several past winners who would have gone on to become Miss Worlds. And so the USF saw this as an ideal opportunity to come on board with a group of extremely talented, extremely brilliant young people. Because the truth is, at the core of what the USF does is to support young people through providing access to digital infrastructure, Wi-Fi communication technology, as well as supporting them through devices. And so we thought it was a good opportunity to support young people as we seek to connect Jamaica to digital services. The USF at its core is mandated to provide digital access to the Wi-Fi, for Wi-Fi network, for devices, and we also provide training. So we focus on community building. In so doing, what we realized is that it was a sensible partnership to come together with the Miss Jamaica World competition, because what these women were able to do is to leverage digital inclusion and to make it relatable and to make it practical in how they use the technologies to support their own ambitions of education, of content creation, of entrepreneurship, right? In particular, with the multimedia challenge, what the young lady did were to execute small videos where they focus on the power of access. Now, by focusing on the power of access, what they did was to demonstrate the value of connectivity, right? Because we know that in today's world, connectivity is indeed an essential service.
Our 5 automatic qualifiers to the top 10. We invite them back on stage. Come on, you can't do better than that. They did incredibly well. We're inviting them back on stage. Let's have a little quick chit chat with them. I'm inviting Asia Wright back on stage. Where are the supporters for Asia Wright?
I entered Miss Jamaica World because I saw it as the perfect platform and the perfect opportunity to speak up on my advocacy, which is maternal health care and infant health care. I strongly believe that we need to have better and safer maternal and infant health care in Jamaica.
But tell me, tonight, if you were to hear your name call, after I've said the winner of Miss Jamaica World 2025 is, and you hear Asia Wright, what's going to be your first response?
Thank you. My first response really would be to cry. I mean, that's natural, right? Isn't it natural? Yes, so that really is my first response, to get, over the emotions and get back into composure, because once you win that crown, or once I win that crown, the work begins. Thank you.
She said that with her chest. Ladies and gentlemen, Asia Wright.
I entered Miss Jamaica World to embark on a journey of self-development and self-actualization, and to also shine a light on my advocacy, which is raising awareness about sexual violence of women and children.
Denise, your most memorable moment since this competition started for you would be?
My most memorable moment would have to be winning the talent fast track, because I did it doing something that I love, and I honestly, it was so unexpected, because I'm telling you, all these other ladies, they really came with their A game. So that was the most memorable moment for me.
Oh, I love that. I love that. Thank you so much, my darling. Congratulations to you.
I believe that my core values align perfectly with that of the Miss Jamaica World pageant, and it encompasses the 2 things that I am most passionate about: meaningful advocacy and self-development.
Halima, when you were not getting ready for this competition tonight, what were you doing?
Well, that's an interesting question. I feel like I've always been getting ready for this competition. Every day when I wake up, my routines, when I work out, when I practice my confidence and my stage presence, even at home, I think I'm always in competition mode, because I know it's coming.
I would say good answer, good answer. Give her a round of applause, please. Halima, congratulations in making it this far.
Well, I've joined this platform to make a difference. I have always admired the intelligence, the poise, and the gracefulness of pageant queens, and I decided that I'd want to be in that group too. Aside from that, I realized that Miss Jamaica World has the perfect platform for me to share my passion and ideas.
Navia, what does it mean to you really to be a Jamaican queen, a Jamaican ambassador? What will it mean to you tonight?
Being a Jamaican ambassador in itself is a great honor. For a country that's so beautiful, resilient, so have everything going for us, being an ambassador and representing what the true spirit of a Jamaican is what I empower, and I love that for me.
Love that for you too. Thank you so much, Navia Allen.
I entered Miss Jamaica World to show that women like me can be a voice to the voiceless. I always thought that beauty had impact. And through this competition, I'll be able to continue on the work I've already started in my own community.
I have to ask you, my darling, so you win tonight. Who's the first person you're calling?
My mommy. And she's actually in the audience. Hi, mommy. So I would hug her first because she has put so much into me. She has motivated me every day. That's why I'm standing here representing my community.
Oh, thank you so much, my darling. Ladies and gentlemen, can we hear it, please, for our first five? As we welcome to the stage the remaining five, we are inviting to the stage Miss Piedmont Trading, Abril Walker.
I entered Miss Jamaica World because I think it's an amazing platform to advocate for the things that you believe in. I think there's so many lessons that you can learn just by going through the process, and I think I can make real influence in Jamaica.
Abril, congratulations in making it to the top 10. You know, I know you must be getting this question a lot, right? Why did you enter this competition?
Thank you. I entered this competition because I see it as more than just a competition. I see it as a platform to advocate for the things I believe in, such as My Beauty with a Purpose, which is for children and youth with disabilities in Jamaica. I believe I can make real change with this platform, and so Miss Jamaica World means everything to me.
Thank you so much, Abril. Congratulations. Stay with us here on stage as we announce the next lady in this remaining number, Alicia Thorpe.
I entered Miss Jamaica World because imagine you're in a kitchen and you have all the right tools, but you don't know how to bake a cake. Miss Jamaica World is that perfect ingredient that blends together the cake, and that is my project for creative career development. So it's something I'm very passionate about, to advance the creative industry, to allow our youths to turn their passion into their profession. So I joined for that reason, but to also develop my personal brand.
Alicia, when you enter that, global scene, if somebody were to ask you, Alicia, what does it mean being a Jamaican? What would you tell them?
Being a Jamaican means to embody the spirit of togetherness. Our country is one of unity, whether we're together having jerk chicken or telling stories like my family and I would do. But to represent Jamaica on the global stage, it means to carry our story, as Marcus Garvey said, that a people without knowledge of their past, origin, culture, or is a people without their roots. So I would represent Jamaica on the stage with grace.
Well, Miss Jamaica World has always been a dream of mine since I was about 8, and I thought that it's the right time to do it, knowing that not only will I showcase myself, but I have the opportunity to do advocacy.
Terry, how are you feeling tonight? I mean, what does a night like tonight mean to you?
It means accomplishing a goal, because this is something that I have always wanted to do. Ever since I was 8, I've seen it on TV, and I was like, I want to be Miss World. And in 2019, I told my mentor that I was going to enter. So standing here, being in top 10 is a dream come true, and it's me embodying who I want to be.
Love that for you, Terry. Congratulations on making it this far. Now, ladies and gentlemen, 2 places remain. Who do you think is gonna get in? Who? Well, let me tell you, our next top 10 finalist is Miss Rituals Coffee House, Kalia Roman.
Many persons have been telling me that I should really give it a shot from as long as I can remember. And so I decided to take the leap and enter so that I can be some form of inspiration to others. And because that's something that I believe in, empowerment of all. And so I decided to take the leap and enter so that I can be some form of inspiration to others. And because that's something that I believe in, empowerment of women.
Wow, Kalia, congratulations on making it this far. I have to ask you, because there's some little girl watching you tonight, and she's saying to herself, oh my gosh, you know, maybe I could do this. What would you tell her?
Pleasant evening, everyone. I must say, sweetheart, you are made for this. You see, this competition is one that empowers, it inspires, it creates trailblazers. And so I have seen how much I have changed, and so she can improve for the better. So I would certainly encourage any young lady out there to enter this competition. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kalia Roman.
In all honesty, I entered Miss Jamaica World because I wanted to know the life of a model. But coming into this pageant, having the ability to see what is going on, I see that beauty does come with a purpose. And I truly believe that this pageant has molded me and made me who I am. But coming into this pageant, having the ability to see what is going on, I see that beauty does come with a purpose. And I truly believe that this pageant has molded me and made me who I am.
Well, I just asked Kalia a while ago, Brianna, you know, what would she tell a little girl watching, right? But I want to ask you, what would you tell the little girl, you, who thought maybe one day I would be able to enter the Miss Jamaica World pageant? What do you have to say to her tonight?
You have come so far. You are enough, you are loved, and you are more than you can ever think. This is a platform that has given you every ounce of energy to advocate and to create and to accept each and every person as they are, to give back. So, little girl, you are loved, you are worth it.
That's right. Congratulations, Brianna Foster. Ladies and gentlemen, your remaining top 5 in the top 10. We're inviting all the other contestants back on stage, please. Put your hands together for them, please. Your top 10. Wow, beautiful ladies. Intelligent, poised, and they are ready to take brand Jamaica to the world. But there will be only one, and my question for you is tonight, who will that be? Who's gonna walk away with the crown? Well, listen, I want to say a big thanks again to all our sponsors, our partners for making this possible. Television Jamaica, the Jamaica Observer, Jamaica Moves, Knutsford Express, Buzz Magazine, Universal Service Fund, Recycling Partners of Jamaica, Aspen Luxury Suites, Fesco, Starlight Productions. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Please put your hands together again for all the ladies on the stage.